Most people think they're using Claude the right way, but they're actually missing out on its most powerful features. In fact, there are hidden settings inside Claude that 99% of users never touch. Using Claude wrong? Most users miss this, and these small tweaks can completely change the quality of your results. From getting smarter responses to saving time to turning Claude into a high-level assistant. These features are game changers. First up, custom instructions. And the best part, you don't need any technical skills to use them. In this video, I'll show you 5 hidden Claude settings that can instantly upgrade how you use AI step by step. Make sure you watch till the end. Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching AI Tech Vision. Hello. The version of Claude most people use isn't even close to what it's capable of. Hidden inside the settings are 5 powerful features that almost no one ever turns on. And once you activate them, Claude becomes dramatically more effective, faster, and smarter. It's the difference between using a basic tool and unlocking its full potential. Claude has a built-in memory system that most people never notice, mainly because it's turned off by default. To enable it, click your profile in the bottom left corner, open Settings, then go to Capabilities. There you'll find an option called Generate Memory from Chat History. Turn it on. Once activated, Claude starts remembering useful details about you across conversations. For example, if you tell it you're a YouTuber who prefers short, punchy scripts, or that you like thumbnail ideas with bold text and no human faces, it will remember that and automatically apply it in future chats. No need to repeat yourself every time. This memory works on multiple levels, helping Claude adapt to your style, your goals, and the way you like to work over time. Claude's memory system actually works in 3 distinct layers, and most users only ever experience the first one without realizing it. The first level is conversation memory. This is what Claude remembers only within a single chat. It helps it stay consistent while you're actively talking. The second level is project memory, and this one is much more powerful. Anything you set inside a project carries across every chat inside that same workspace. For example, if you create a project and write instructions like write all content in first person, keep everything under 300 words, and never use bullet points, Claude will automatically follow those rules in every new conversation inside that project. The third level is global memory, which is the most advanced. This follows you across all chats everywhere in Claude. So if you mention your writing style, preferences, or how you like responses structured, Claude can reuse that information in future conversations automatically. You can update project memory anytime by editing the project description or refining instructions directly in chat, and Claude will adjust immediately. One important thing to understand is that Claude doesn't randomly store everything. It only saves and applies what it considers useful and relevant for improving future responses. If you open Settings, go to Capabilities, and then head into the Memory section, you can actually view everything Claude has saved about you. Here's where it gets powerful. When you start a brand new conversation and ask for something like a short LinkedIn post, Claude already adapts to your preferred tone and structure without you needing to explain it again. It's learning from what you've told it before. Without this feature enabled, every chat resets to 0. You'd have to repeat your preferences again and again, which slows everything down. With memory turned on, Claude becomes more personalized and efficient over time. The more you use it, the better it understands how you like things done. However, there's one important limitation: it won't automatically figure out your exact writing style perfectly. Claude begins with its default tone. The problem is, letting Claude learn your style naturally takes time, and even then, it's not always consistent. But there's a faster way to lock in your writing style from the very beginning. What you have to do is go to the Use Style option and select Create or Edit Styles. From there, you can set up a custom style in seconds. The easiest method is to paste in samples of your own writing. Like LinkedIn posts, emails, or anything you've written before. Claude analyzes those examples and builds a style profile based on your tone, wording, and sentence structure. If you don't have samples, you can simply describe the style you want in plain language, and Claude will generate it for you. What makes this really powerful is that you're not limited to just one style. You can create multiple profiles depending on your needs. For example, one style can be short and punchy for social media. Another can be more polished and professional for client communication. And another can be detailed and technical for documentation. Before starting any task, you just select the style you want and Claude instantly adjusts. Once your style is set, every response automatically follows it. No need to repeat instructions in every prompt. Once I select a style, Claude immediately understands the tone I want without me having to explain it again. To see the impact, try using the exact same prompt twice. Once I select a style, Claude immediately understands the tone I want without me having to explain it again. To see the impact, try using the exact same prompt twice. Once I select a style, Claude immediately understands the tone I want without me having to explain it again. To see the impact, try using the exact same prompt twice. This is the sentence generated with the default style. And this is the same sentence with the custom style. The difference is clear. Custom styles make Claude sound more natural and engaging. On the other hand, feels natural and personal, like something you actually wrote. You'll notice the difference in sentence flow, word choice, and overall tone. It aligns much more closely with how you naturally communicate. If you're using Claude for writing, whether it's emails, social media content, reports, or academic work, this feature can save a huge amount of editing time. Instead of rewriting everything, you get outputs that already match your voice. So at this point, Claude not only remembers your preferences, but also writes the way you do. But everything we've covered so far is focused on text. The next feature is where Claude goes beyond just writing and actually starts building tools you can use. This is called artifacts. Instead of giving you plain text, Claude can generate fully interactive things right inside the chat. We're talking about tools like calculators, content planners, dashboards, trackers, even simple games, all clickable and usable directly in your browser. To enable it, go into Settings, open Capabilities, scroll to the Visual section, and turn on Artifacts. There's also something most people overlook, the Artifacts tab in the sidebar. When you open it, you'll find a collection of ready-made tools you can launch instantly. Things like idea generators, writing editors, and note transformers are already there waiting to use. But the real power comes when you create your own. For example, you can ask Claude to build a weekly content calendar where you can add posts, organize them by day, and even color code different platforms. Within seconds, it generates a fully interactive layout where you can click, drag, and manage everything in real time. Something that would normally take a long setup in spreadsheets gets done almost instantly. And the best part, these artifacts aren't stuck inside a single conversation. Every artifact Claude creates comes with a download option. Depending on what you've built, you can export it as an HTML file or even turn it into a standalone app. That means if you create something like a client form or a pricing tool, you can actually use it outside of Claude on a real website. And if you ever want to tweak it, you don't need to rebuild anything. Just describe the change and Claude updates it instantly. That whole cycle, idea, build, test, refine, happens smoothly one conversation. Now here's the bigger picture. While artifacts like real work lives elsewhere, your email, calendar, cloud storage, or tools like Notion, real work lives elsewhere. Your connectors allow Claude to link directly with the apps you use every day. You can connect things like email, calendars, cloud drives, or productivity tools. So Claude can access and work with your real data. For example, it can read emails and draft replies, check your schedule, or pull documents into your workflow. Inside the connector section, you'll also find plugins, something a lot of users completely miss. These add extra capabilities like viewing and editing PDFs directly in chat or applying a consistent brand voice. Each plugin comes with its own commands, making Claude even more flexible. At this point, Claude can remember your preferences, write in your style, build interactive, and connect with your apps. But there's still one limitation: you usually have to be at your computer to use it and connect with your apps. You're no longer limited to using Claude only when you're sitting at your desk. Your AI assistant keeps working even when you're not there. If you want more videos like this, where we break down tools that actually make a difference, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.